big on safety, bold in style. The all-new Santa Fe puts peace of mind top of mind. Re-engineered with industry-leading safety technology, including a comprehensive suite of Hyundai SmartSense technologies. Discover the all-new Santa Fe. The Santa Fe has a sharp, confident presence from every angle. LED lights enhance the style and visibility, illuminating the front, side, and rear. And the 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its sleek style and handling on the road. Access the cargo area conveniently with the Smart Power liftgate. No need to fumble for the key. There is 1,016 liters of cargo space behind the second row. That nearly doubles when you fold down the rear seats. You can even store valuables out of sight under the floor. Open the door to an all-new look and feel. There are plenty of features that adjust to your comfort level. Heated front seats, rear seats, and steering wheel offer comforting warmth during our cold Canadian winters. And ventilated front seats help cool you down when the weather heats up. Up to 2 drivers can set their mirror and seat preferences, which will be appreciated after finding the perfect setting with the 12-way power driver seat. Long drive ahead? The power extendable driver's seat cushion will provide welcome support. The front passenger can find perfect comfort too, adjusting their seat 8 ways to get it just right. Now that you're comfortably seated, adjust the temperature to your preference. Sunny day? Open the expansive panoramic sunroof and pull up the integrated blinds to keep the sun out of your rear passenger's eyes. You can move any rear seat passenger closer to you as well. Now that everyone is settled, need directions? The large 8-inch touchscreen navigation system will get you there. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, enjoy the premium audio system with 12 speakers, making the drive even more enjoyable. Keep in touch, connected, and informed with Santa Fe's advanced tech features. The head-up display projects important info such as speed and safety alerts like blind spot detection directly within your line of sight. The wireless charging pad makes it easy to keep your device powered up. And Android Auto and Apple CarPlay give you access to all your essential apps on screen. Feel confident knowing what's around you with the surround view monitor. See what's up front, behind, and on each side of the vehicle. BlueLink connects you to the Santa Fe in a whole new way. Use your smartphone to start the engine, unlock the doors, set the temperature, and more. Another way Santa Fe makes driving easier is the rain-sensing wipers that turn on and off automatically for added convenience. Your safety is our top priority. That's why we lead the way in innovation. It starts at the core with the superstructure. Made from our very own advanced high-strength steel, it provides a solid foundation that's remarkably strong yet light. Along for the ride is a comprehensive suite of Hyundai SmartSense technologies that actively monitor your surroundings. The Santa Fe is the world's first vehicle to offer Safe Exit Assist, advanced technology that locks the rear doors if it detects vehicles approaching from behind. This helps prevent rear passengers from opening the door when other vehicles are passing by, even when the vehicle ignition is off. Rear Occupant Alert is designed to help prevent children and pets from being left behind. Ultrasonic sensors monitor the rear seats and deliver reminder alerts by sounding the horn. It can even send an alert to your smartphone. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist warns you of a potential frontal collision with other vehicles or pedestrians. It will apply emergency braking if necessary. Adaptive Cruise Control adjusts your speed to keep your preset distance from the vehicle ahead. It even works in stop-and-go traffic. If you begin to drift outside of your lane, the Lane Departure Warning System lets you know through both audible and visual alerts. And Lane Keeping Assist applies corrective steering, placing you back into your lane. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist detects when a vehicle is in your blind spot. It will also gently apply braking power on the opposite wheels to help deter an unsafe lane change. High Beam Assist senses traffic and lighting conditions to automatically turn high beams on and off. The Santa Fe offers 2 features that make reversing safer and easier too, including the Parking Distance Warning System that lets you know if you get too close to an object while backing in. As you're backing out, the Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist warns you if a vehicle is approaching from the side. It will even apply braking if no action is taken to help avoid a collision. And finally, driver attention warning, an innovative feature that will monitor signs of driver fatigue and suggest taking a break, providing peace of mind on long trips. Santa Fe is powerfully equipped. Choose from 2 engine options, including the 2-liter turbo GDI engine with a full trailer package that offers 3,500 pounds of towing capacity. Both engines are paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission for better fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. The advanced HTRAC all-wheel drive system goes beyond providing better stability and performance in demanding weather. What makes it different is the ability to tailor the traction distribution with the HTRAC intelligent drive modes. Comfort mode provides balanced control and confidence in all weather conditions. Smart mode shifts power to the front wheels for less trips to the pump, and Sport mode sends power to the rear wheels for a more dynamic feel. And the Santa Fe is backed by one of the best warranties in Canada. That also includes 5 years of unlimited kilometer roadside assistance. The all-new Santa Fe, the ultimate safe, convenient, and fun SUV for all your family's adventures.
Run away, and I know right now we can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers.